ladies, get right here. This is a brand new song. Ladies in the house, let's do this shit. What the fuck, you scared? All the ladies, guys, move the fuck out.
This is a brand new song. We don't want no guys in the front.
Hey, hold up. Hey.
We want the guys pitting
Guys.
and the ladies in the front.
Would you like to see the ladies pit? I said, hey gentlemen, would you guys like to see the ladies pit? Then step the fuck back, let's get the ladies up here.
This is a brand new one of our songs. Never played before in front of people.
It's all about the corporate world.